happy day, movers and shakers. Hi, movers and shakers. I'm getting ready. Looking forward to see you 7 to 10. I'm just moving my stuff from one section to the next, getting it all ready, as you can see, but I have to fold things. It's all drama, but it's good drama. So I'm looking forward to you. Take care of your mental health. Look forward to a great Saturday night event. Ready to get next and the mostest. Your honeys will love it. You will love it. Maybe when you come, you'll meet somebody, so we shall see. I would love to be involved with a love story. So guys, come be enamored with one another. Okay, so see you soon. Saturday, August 15th, 7 to 10, 380 Springfield Road. My helpers are helping. It's all fabulous. He's smiling. He wants to meet somebody too. No, he doesn't. I have no idea. Don't listen to me, guys. See how I start up trouble? Come and save me from myself. So 7 to 10, Saturday tonight. Bye.